Look, let's be serious here. I think most of us already forgot the reason why we got into bionanogenomics in the first place, okay? I think most of us already forgot why we fell in love with this company, why we believe this stock is going to go to $100. So I'm going to do you a favor in this video. I'm going to remind you guys why you got into this company in the first place and why you should not sell your position in loss. At least hold it till the position turns to profit. Then you may close it and move on to another company that you believe is going to revolutionize the cytogenetics or cytogenomics industry, for example. What's going on, investors? Welcome to Frontline Investment. Thank you for the likes, for the comments. Thank you for always watching my video whenever you see a notification. For those of you that didn't click on the notification bell when you subscribed, please do so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to receive the notification. Now, I want to remind you guys, I want to take you back in time. I want to tell you why Sapphire device is not just any device out there. This is a device that is going to revolutionize the genomics industry, the cytogenomics industry, cytogenetics industry. This device wants to replace, for example, karyotyping, FISH, microarray. I mean, this device is about to change everything. This is a game changer. And we have seen a lot of experts, a lot of scientists saying that this device is the gold standard. Let me remind you guys how we got here, where we are and where we are possibly heading towards. But before we continue, this is BNGO yesterday. We saw $4.96. This is a price that we haven't seen for a long time, for months. But most of us, when we saw this price yesterday, of course we were sad, we were down because the price of, we expect the company to be delivering. We expect Sapphire device to be selling like, ice cream from McDonald's or cheeseburger. We expect every cytogenetics laboratory out there to be buying the Sapphire like that. But guys, you guys have to understand that we are at war, okay? It is not easy to go to all these dinosaur laboratories and tell them to throw away all their old school methods and replace it with the Sapphire device, which of course still cost about $150,000. It is not easy. This is war, okay? And we have to win this war. You guys cannot give up. Don't sell your position, at least not in losses. Hold till you at least turn your position into green, then you can close it, without losses. At least you can go somewhere else. Maybe you go and buy Shiba Inu, or you go and buy Dogecoin, or you go and buy Bitcoin, or whatever that is super speculative also at the moment. So let me show you guys what got us here. But like always, before we continue, this is a post from Jason Pryor, okay? This is the Chief Commercial Officer of Bionanogenomics. He made a comment about, the development that BNGO yesterday, they posted the news that they have, employed 4 great talents that is going to help Bionanogenomics with the growth, the global growth of the Sapphire device, okay? In terms of customer support, sales, and marketing. So Jason Pryor, he made this post commenting, he said he is super excited about the growth of the commercial team and the incredible talent that Bionanogenomics have been able to recruit, okay? So that is more or less what I want to show you guys about this, because he is going to be the leader of this team, in my opinion, because he is the CCO of Bionanogenomics. And don't forget, Jason Pryor has a track record of success, okay? This guy he didn't just come to Bionanogenomics to mess around, okay? These guys came to BNGO to turn the company around, to turn the company into profitability. That's why they joined Bionanogenomics. They could easily go to Illumina, for example, or PacBio with almost billions of US in cash, okay? I mean, but no, they chose Bionanogenomics for a reason. And don't forget, a few months ago, when we employed our Chief Business Officer, Rich Shippey also said that there is a reason why he joined Bionanogenomics, because he believes the Sapphire device and the mission of Bionanogenomics is the future in this industry. Let's go to the next page, guys. Now, this is the page where I'm going to end this video, because this is a very quick video. For those of you that are still, most of us have already forgotten what got us here, okay? So let's start from the first page. This is more or less like a 4-page PDF file, okay? The Sapphire device has 10 times greater resolution compared to karyotyping, okay? Compared to 10 times greater resolution, which means that researchers or clinicians can see more about the human genomes plant genomes or animal genomes, they can see more of what is going on in the genome. And don't forget, Bionanogenomics still want to increase the throughput of the Sapphire device from 5,000 to 70 something thousand. Okay, I mean, they are more or less turning the Sapphire device into an artificial intelligence machine. Okay, a machine that can more or less do almost everything. Talk about the iPhone 13. This is the first page I want to show you guys. So this is the second page, guys. Cytogeneticist. Okay, this is what karyotyping looks like. Okay, if you want to detect if your baby, for example, if you are pregnant, if you want to detect if this what do they call pregnancy? Not a baby, the baby inside is not called pregnancy. So if you want to detect if this is going to be a male or a female, they use karyotyping to check all these things. Okay, and this is labor intense method. You can also detect if your baby is going to have, for example, rare genetic disease. Okay, like I don't know, cancer or leukemia or something like that. So this machine is what clinicians use. Okay, whenever it comes to karyotyping, and this machine is labor intense. It has the person that is going to use this machine must be very, very trained to be able to understand what is going on, because you are more or less looking into the microscope or whatever and seeing what is going on and writing it down, okay, to dictate what. Of course we have some machines that are already automated as well, but still these are still old school method. Okay, now you have the Sapphire device that automates the imaging 1000x more label patterns on intact DNA molecules to detect structural variation in massively parallel nanochannel arrays. So this is what the Sapphire device is just doing. You put in the genome, for example, the sample into the chip, you put the chip into the Sapphire device, and then this is what you see on your computer. Instead of you looking into some crazy old school microscope to detect what is going on, you don't even need to look at anything. The machine brings out everything 10 times better than you would even see it. 10 times resolution. Do you guys understand what is 10 times resolution? This is the display, okay, from the software, the user interface. You guys can see how beautiful it is. You can easily see what is going on. I mean, it's not as easy as I'm saying it, but at least when you are trained by Bionanogenomics, it is easier than to be trained for karyotyping. That is the point I'm trying to make now. If you go down a little bit, you guys can see that the Sapphire device is trying to replace all these methods right here. Southern blot, in my opinion, is already history. I believe the Sapphire device has already replaced Southern blot, because if you have a device that can reduce the turnaround time from 11 days to 5 days, I mean, what else are clinicians waiting for? Now this is the sweetest part of this. The Sapphire device, operating at 500 base pair and above, can karyotype, can fish, can array, can combine all these three methods into one, okay, into one automated method. Now fully automated detection of CNVs, repeat expansion disorders, FSHD, unbalanced events from single exon level of aneuploidies, balanced event. In fact, I hope I'm not gonna lose my teeth trying to explain this thing to you guys. Okay, now for karyotyping, you need extensive training is required before you can be able to understand what is going on. If you want to be a clinician that is going to be using karyotyping to detect what is going on, you need extensive training. Okay, and this method is super slow, it is labor intensive, cell culture required, blah 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 blah. What else do I need to tell you guys? Now this FISH targeted, extremely limited approach, only shows handful of variants, slow, labor intensive data collection. And then you continue. Microarray cannot detect balanced rearrangements, cannot resolve nature of a structural aberration, cannot do half of what Bionanogenomics Sapphire device can do. Okay, I mean, this is why the Sapphire device is of course a golden standard. That is why you have to hold on to your shares. I'm trying my best to speak as fast as possible because the market is going to open very soon, and I want to edit this video before the market opens, and so that you guys can view it before the market opens. Now this is the current lab workflow, okay, that is going on right now. You guys can see that it is a mess. Okay, this is a mess, guys. Look at that. You have all these methods. This is FISH right here. Okay, now this is microarray device right here, karyotyping, where is it, data extraction, GFA microarray, blah 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 blah. So you have all this method combined. Look at that. Look at how the Bionanogenomics workflow is. Okay, you just take this sample, you extract it, you put it into the consumable, you know, you put it into the chip, and then you put it into the Sapphire device, and then this is just what you have, you know, the user interface. As simple as that. Not all these methods, you have to do this, binary genomics combined everything into one method. You have the karyotyping, you have the, you know, microarray, you have the FISH, and then this is what I believe most of you guys have forgotten about the Sapphire device. I'm trying my best to, you know, I'm not a professional in this field, okay guys. I mean, I study automatics and robotics. Whenever it comes to computer science and stuff, that's where you can find me. But whenever it comes to all this genomics, I mean, I started to learn more about this also in January, just about 10 months ago, on a daily basis. And the reason why I started this channel is because I discovered that there are not enough information out there. Back in January, February, I mean, you can hardly find a video about Bionano Genomics. Nobody's talking about the company, okay? That is why I started my channel to teach folks about, you know, Bionano Genomics, and to try to teach what I have learned so far as well. And believe me, I have come so far. I mean, I've come this far. It's not easy. I learn every day. So that's why I'm going to end this video, guys. Don't sell in losses. That's my own opinion. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and of course, don't invest with what you cannot afford to lose. And of course, always do your own due diligence. This doesn't mean if you like, you sell. If you like, you buy. I mean, I am just trying to share my own opinion with you guys, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. Don't sue me, bro. Have a wonderful day, guys. If for those of you that are not yet a member of this channel, please consider joining the channel. It costs about 99 cents to join the channel. Look at the link below. You can click on join. Just 99 cents per month to help me to come here every day and share my little knowledge in this industry with you guys. Ciao, ciao.